morning, guys. Welcome to another vlog and happy Sunday. So I'm currently doing my spring reset cleaning today. I didn't get to do it last week because my sisters were in town visiting, which was so much fun. I didn't really vlog last week when they were in town just because I wanted to spend as much time with them as I could and be really present while they were here. We went swimming, we went to the arcade, we had a picnic, we cooked dinner together, we played board games, and it was just a really fun week. Yesterday we drove back to California to drop them off and we came back the same day, so I am exhausted just from the week and all of the traveling that we've done in the last week and a half. And then this weekend we are actually spending the weekend in LA again. There's a lot going on. I'm tired, but today I wanted to do my spring reset cleaning really badly. My apartment is in need of it. It needs a good deep clean, so I thought today would be the perfect day to do that. I have my full list ready to go and I am going in today, you guys. I'm cleaning out my fridge as well as the rest of my kitchen. I'm doing laundry. I have so much laundry to do. I'm vacuuming my floors as well as my furniture, like my couch, my bed frame, and things like that. Cleaning the windows and the fans because it's springtime, there's a lot of dust and things like that. And I also have to just organize things. I already organized my linen closet, so we got that done. And then I also have to do grocery list and just organize my schedule and my life for the week as well. I'm just really preparing for a busy week ahead. I need to just get it all together. I need to get started on my list. Right now I'm going to clean out my fridge, clean my kitchen. Of course, I had to make my coffee because we need it today more than ever. Taking a little energy booster shot. I just picked this up from Target before my workout class because I need energy right now. It's for energy and the flavor is mango spinach. Do you want to try it?
I have to stop.
I'm gonna have it all, but you should try it. It tastes pretty. It actually tastes pretty good for like a shot.
It tastes like mango and spinach.
Well, yes. Okay, so I just like
take a shot. Your club days are over.
They never really began. Okay, that was actually pretty good. I would want to get it again, but we'll see how I feel. Anyways, I'm gonna head into my workout class. I'm doing a Pilates base class at my fitness studio that I like to go to, so I will see you guys in there. Hi, baby.
They're all like so different. Not just like you guys struggle with it, I struggle. Last one, slow, hit those reps. Woo, breathe. Take a 1 count, here we go. Woo. Go to the reset. And then on 1, turn over back on your back. So low back down. As you exhale, push the low back down even stronger. Down 2. Up 2. Now if you need to, smaller range, maybe slower, maybe lighter weights. 1 count, here we go.
Just made myself a little post-workout breakfast. I did my go-to breakfast that I always do, which is my Greek yogurt bowl. Today I just did blueberries, strawberries, granola, and Greek yogurt, of course. I already had a banana first thing in the morning before my workout, so I skipped that. And I also made a coffee with it. My workout class was really good. I feel like the energy shot that I took before really helped. But anyways, I had a really good workout class, but I had a little awkward situation in class that brought up an insecurity of mine. One thing that I'm really insecure about, that I've always been insecure about, that I'm like constantly aware of and like working on, is my social awkwardness. I feel like I've gotten better at it, but I feel really weird weird sometimes because I know that I'm a friendly person and I'm a nice person, but sometimes, especially when I'm around new people or people that I don't really know that well, I feel like I can come off very standoffish or rude or something like that. And I know this because I've literally had friends tell me that when they first met me that they thought that I didn't like them. Obviously we're friends now and things are different, but I feel like I get really in my head and I overthink, and it can come off a certain way. I could meet someone or I could be around someone and in my head I'm like, oh my god, this person is so cool or so nice, or I really like this person's vibe or whatever, but externally I'm not expressing that or saying it or showing it. So that's definitely something that I want to work more on. I think it's important to be mindful of the things that you might not like about yourself or that you want to improve on, and that doesn't mean that you're hating yourself or that you think something's wrong with you, but it is important to like be aware of those things so that you can be the best version of yourself. Because when I think of the best version of myself, she is someone who is confident, who is social, who has great communication skills, who can make friends easily and like network easily, and she, you know, isn't afraid to initiate conversations and meet new people. And if that is the best version of myself, then I need to be aware of where I am right now so that I can work towards being that version. And right now I'm not there. I'm still a little bit self-conscious. If there is something about yourself that you want to work on and improve, do that. And you can do it from a loving place. It doesn't have to be like from a hateful, negative place. Anyways, yeah, that's kind of my little pep talk of the day. For the day. Today's Wednesday, which means we have a midweek pick-me-up activity to do today. I'm not sure what we're doing today exactly. I know we're going to dinner a little bit later today, so we'll see what we get into today. I'll be sure to bring you along with me. But today I posted a reel and a TikTok, and it was basically saying, point of view, you love the season of life that you are currently in. And I kind of wanted to talk about what I mentioned in that post. So in my caption, I basically wrote how in the past I've made the mistake of not appreciating what chapter or what season that I was in my life because I was so focused on the next chapter. And it wasn't until I could look back and realize that there was so much that I took for granted. That was a huge lesson. Even though there are things I still want to achieve and have and experience, I know that I can work towards those things but still be grateful for where I am right now and for this season. And it just feels so nice to not be rushing anything and to be so appreciative of everything. And if you're constantly waiting to achieve the next milestone or reach the next phase in your life to feel happy, you will never be happy or fully content, because once you get to that point in your life, there's always going to be something else that you feel you need to achieve or have, and it's just never going to be enough. And so I definitely don't want to continue making that mistake in my own life, and so I'm doing my best to be intentional about just appreciating joy, all the good, all the bad, the ups and the downs, because that is what makes life life. And so I just wanted to share that message because that really came through to me today very clearly, so I felt the need to share that with you all. But anyways, I need to finish getting dressed. From the coffee shop. I was working on my Q1 audit and planning for Q2, which I talked about in my last podcast episode. I'm about to start packing for my trip to LA this weekend, but before I do, I wanted to show you guys what I got yesterday from H&M and Ulta. I only picked up a few things. I have it all right here. I didn't get too much, but nonetheless, I wanted to show you guys what I got. So I'll start off with what I got at H&M. So I definitely am trying to build up my spring wardrobe right now. So the first piece that I got is the prettiest floral flowy dress. It hits about the calf area and it just is so pretty. When I tried it on, I was like, yes, I absolutely need this. It is so comfortable, going to be perfect for, you know, a spring day, summer day. I cannot wait to wear this. The next piece of item that I got is just this simple ribbed full-length tank top, and I feel like the camera is not doing it justice. It's kind of washing it out a bit, but it's just this pastel mint green color, and again, perfect for spring. And then the last item that I got, these high-waisted wide leg jeans, and they look so good on. They shape me out really nicely. They're super comfortable. I love lighter jeans for the springtime, so I had to get this. Yeah, those are the things that I picked up from H&M. I'm slowly trying to build up my spring wardrobe, so little by little I'm just getting pieces here and there. I still have to figure out what other outfits I'm wearing. Like I said, it is going to be a little bit on the colder side, so I want to dress appropriately, but we will see. And then as far as Ulta, I picked up this NYX matte bronzer in the shade Deep Tan. I'm also trying out this Maybelline Sky High mascara for my brows. I've been using this for a while. This is probably like my 5th or so restock. And then another classic that I completely forgot about, I used to use all the time, is the NYX Butter Gloss, and I got this one in the shade, Madeline. I used to have so many of these a few years ago, and I don't know if it was during the pandemic, you know, when I stopped doing makeup like a lot of people did. I just completely forgot about some of my go-to classic favorites, so I had to stock up on these. But that's pretty much what I got. Now I'm just going to pack my bag so that I can get that out of the way, and I do have a little bit of work to do before I head out. I want to edit this vlog and have it uploaded for Sunday, so I don't have to worry about it, and just like clean up around the house and things like that. So with that being said, I think I'm going to end today's vlog here. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and in the next vlog you will see me headed out to LA. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.